a standing deadlift, which is also called a Roman deadlift. You got your weights in your hands. You're going to hinge from your hip. Now I'm going to turn sideways so you can see me. My feet are parallel, just slightly turned out and a little bit wider than my hip. My weights are palms facing in. The first thing I'm going to do is stick my butt out, hinge back, and then I'm going to lower my weight and stand back up. You notice when I'm in this position, there's a straight line from my head to my butt. This is what I do not want to see. I do not want to see round your back, straight back, stand up. This is a butt exercise. Stick your butt out, stand up, hips go forward. Now you're not going down all the way. If you have the range of motion, you can bring the weight down past your knee only if your back can stay nice and tall from your head to your butt. I'll give you a face front view. The standing deadlift. Bend, stick your butt out, look forward. Now you notice my chest is forward, my eyes is forward, shoulders are square. This is a butt exercise, pull the belly in. The deadlift